Hey guys, Darren from Done Right RV, and I've got a really simple question for you guys today. If I was to put together the ultimate RVers toolkit, how much would you pay for that? Now I'm going to give you a hint. It's probably going to be north of like $1,000. Comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. I'll tell you really quickly why there's a couple reasons this can save you money in the long run. Number one, a lot of basic repairs. It's shocking how much you can probably do yourself with just a couple of diagnostic tools and a couple of simple hand tools. The second thing is what happened to me this morning. I came across a woman who had a problem with the heater in her rig, and I didn't have my work van with me, so I had to drive an hour, get all my tools, because of course I had to get my van, get back to her place, pick up a couple of components. Now, I got her heat going again. Keep in mind it's 28 degrees right now, so it cost her a couple $100 in labor, cost her some inconvenience, and if she had had all the tools, granted, she wasn't going to be repairing her heater herself, but I would have been able to do it right on the spot for her. So let me know in the comments below. If you're digging what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. A train? Really? A train? That's what I got to deal with? A train? Now we got the birds and the trucks. Shut up! I'm trying to make a video! The situation that I came across this morning, frankly, that made me think about this was a woman... Shut the f*** up. I came across a woman who... That's nice. I got stuff on my teeth, and these damn birds won't shut up. Stop talking. I know I've got that mess flying over my head, which I hope you can see. It's like a million birds. Please don't poop on me. It's actually really cool. So now we've got the birds and another train. I think I'm putting this on hold. Maybe the horn will scare the birds away. I'm coming back in 15 minutes.